Cheers! Having travelled by bus from the city of Hoi, we're now by the coast in Danang, and we're about to discover the great vegan food and fantastic beaches that this city has to offer. Let's start our tour of Danang's best vegan food spots at iVegan, an eco-friendly and contemporary cafe, shop and co-working space, serving smoothie bowls, burgers, pizzas and sandwiches. We were craving something fresh, so we opted for some salad bowls. There's always room for some cake. We'll show you more of what we ate in Danang a bit later. We may have ditched our sightseeing plans a little bit. It might just be a little bit too hot, and the beach might be a little bit too enticing.
I don't think that's a bad thing though. We've been travelling for nearly 4 months, and this is the first beach day we've had. We've not had opportunities really in terms of where we've been, so I think, this is discovering the culture and the attractions of a place.
Yeah.
This is like a really cool city with a beach.
Yeah.
Make most of it.
Yeah. As beautiful as this beach is, unfortunately, there's a lot of rubbish being washed up. And Jade's on a mission already to borrow a bin so that we can clean up. Good job, my love, good job. She seemed to understand as well, didn't she?
Yeah.
What's it got on it?
What?
What's it got on it? Really?
Yeah, look.
Oh, look! Wow!
So these are
How interesting,
have been
yeah.
washed up.
Yeah. It's already full. Shall I take it back? Do you wanna
Yeah, I can go with some more.
put all that? What a shame.
You see it on like remote islands where it just gets washed up. I don't think it's necessarily people here on the beach dumping their stuff. Some of that stuff was covered in barnacles. It's probably been out there for years. Yeah, so it's everyone's responsibility.
Yeah, I guess if everyone picks up something.
Yeah.
Just a few things when they're on the beach.
Yeah.
If we're all doing that, it'll make such a difference.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, even if more washes in, that doesn't negate what you've kind of done to help.
Yeah. Good job, love. So it's about half an hour after our litter pick, and look. All of these washed up. There's an awful lot of rubbish out there. This guy here, he works at this particular cafe. He's just gone out with a basket and he is picking up the bowls. Isn't that great? What a hero. That evening, we went for dinner at Loving Vegan.
So much choice.
Loving Vegan serves a wide variety of dishes. We wanted to try as many dishes as possible, so we ordered several small plates, including mac and cheese, potato salad, cauliflower tempura, and noodles. The cauliflower tempura in particular was really good. So good that we've ordered another portion of them. After dinner, we went on a wander through the city.
Yeah, always an Irish pub.
Our ultimate destination was somewhere that allegedly served vegan sweet treats.
Kurumi. There's no one else here.
The next morning, we were out early to get some breakfast. On the menu are noodles served cold and topped with mock meats.
I don't know, you know.
How was that?
Well, that.
All of it.
Huh?
How was it?
Huh?
How was it?
Yeah, very fresh, both of them very fresh.
Interesting having these sort of things for breakfast,
Yeah.
more traditional breakfast. I was told to put chili on the noodles.
Oh boy, did she.
It made it quite spicy. We didn't dare touch these though.
No.
Overall, thumbs up?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I would prefer it to be hot.
Temperature hot, it means, yeah.
Yeah. My favourite.
It's another hot day in Danang, so we're again choosing to chill out along the beach. Later on, and for brunch, we're at Roots, a fully plant-based cafe.
Maybe.
start with some sizable smoothie bowls. We also had avocado toast topped with walnuts and sprouts. And this is beet hummus with tofu cheese, olives and mint. So there you go, just some of the amazing places here in Danang that you can come to eat if you're vegan. It's our last morning here in Danang. We had plans once again to go and do some sightseeing, but we're just feeling very tired today. And so we're just going to make the most of being right here on the beach. What little there is of it this morning. Look how far the tide is in today. There's hardly any beach left. There's a link in the description actually to an article that I wrote about what you can expect when you go backpacking. This is one of the things that you can expect when you go backpacking. Sometimes you just feel tired, and you just have to kind of give in to that, I think, innit? You just have to, even if, there's a part of you that's going, well, I'm here though, I need to make the most of my time here. I've got to go and see these major sites. Sometimes you just have to listen to your body and give into it and just go for a stroll along the beach. So that's it, that's Danang. Wasn't quite the video that we expected when we first arrived here, but at least you've seen some of the amazing places that you come to eat here in Danang when you're a vegan. You've seen the amazing theme park. And what else have we seen? The beach. Yeah, city life. Yeah, it's a great place. It's probably one of our favourites, right? Here in Vietnam. Yeah.
Got all the conveniences. It's very busy but chilled at the same time.
Yeah. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like more of this kind of thing, and give us a like. That'll be lovely. And if Danang looks like the sort of place that you'd like to visit, do drop us a little comment in the box below and let us know. Until the next one, toodaloo. Join us next time as we head to the incredibly beautiful city of Hoi An.